And we start the day again with unboxing. Oh, what is this? Okay, we have Plarail. I'll put Plarail over there. Some sort of track. Harold the helicopter. And oh la la, Talcon Action Thomas. So that so this one is for this set. I can't right there. So we have the complete. Does it work? There's a problem right here on this lever. Yes, so we need to fix that. A piece of track, another piece of track, another piece of track. What is this? Only track? Okay, so that. Okay, there's one more thing here. I need to turn this off. Maybe it's the batteries. Maybe the batteries are dead. Okay, I'm gonna put some fresh batteries in a minute. And we have. Okay. Brand new. Is it new? Yeah, it's sealed. ERTL Thomas. This one is brand new. Alright, so finally put some fresh batteries and needs a driving axle. Here are two things. Driving axle is slipping and the motor is noisy. But it works. That's good. Now for the next models listen, these are in terrible condition. I remember seeing this in really bad shape. For parts are not working, but let's see how many of these can be, we can wake up some of these. The first one is a Thomas the Tank Engine. Battery terminal looks clean. This one works and actually works good. It just needs some decals. Alright, next, here's another Thomas, also in need of good decals. Battery terminal good, also works. Okay, that is interesting. That's good. I thought they were, I mean, they look really bad. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe not. Maybe we have some in really bad shape, or maybe not. Yeah, I remember the listing was shown really bad. This one also works. So, lady, well, thanks to the seller for not sending a really bad engines. Actually, I thought I needed to do some heavy repair, a lot of heavy corrosion. Here's another one. Percy toy company. This one. Okay, this one there's no reaction. Okay, let's begin with 5 volts again. One moment, let's see. Okay, it was kind of hard to start, but I can feel it's raw riding, like if there is some sort of, yeah, there's a lot of real dirt inside. As you can see that there is a lot of dust here, dust and dirt, but at least we make it work. Need some fresh yeah, it's missing the decals actually. That's good. Alright, next another Thomas. This one looks Oh, another good battery terminal. That is really good. This one also works. So what's the problem with this? Maybe the decals? Not really bad. Good. Well, I thought when I read the listing and I saw the all the pictures, they show really terrible. I mean, really bad condition. I say no, okay, these are not. This might need a lot of work, but so far so good. This one could be either Ben or Bill. It's Ben. Battery contacts, battery terminals, good. Unbelievable, it works. So luckily we have a lot of decals for this. I mean, the leftovers I have. Obviously all this needs some TLC, and this one it's good. Ben. Right, I think yeah, here's another one. This one is Bill. They look the same. Maybe not. Okay, so let's find out if this one works or no. So far so good. This one is clean also. So Hito company, yeah, okay, this one is Tomy, Brit Alcroft. And this one runs. Not bad, not bad. Another one needed some touch up, like new decals, a little bit paint of here and there. Okay, next another Rosie. I think in previous video we got a Rosie. All right. Not bad, and also works. Rosie, it's working. Oh, come on, I removed the battery. So I just wanted to put it all together. Oh, come on. Anyways, I need to also need some cleaning, touch up, decals, and Rosie should be good to go. And the next one is, I think some sort of storm, scarloy, storm through or something like that. When I got the first one for cleaning, I thought this was some sort of dirt, but it's the design of, I think, some sort of storm cloud something. And actually, I remember removing. You can peel this off. You can remove this this tape here and just make a normal scarloy. Yeah, I remember one time I removed this and we had a good scarloy. I mean, because if you put this on for sale, some people might not know. This is one of those variant. So anyway, scarloy in working condition. So this was the lot. Hold on. This was the lot that I thought that this was in really ugly condition, and so far all these models are working. Here's another that's not in there. Is this broken? Yeah, it comes with a broken tap, or maybe it's not Salties. So also works. Little loud. What's going on? Maybe my battery. Yeah, okay, works. Salty works. It's not making good contact, but it's working. So we have another good one. Excellent. And we have, let me see, this one is Nabil. Unfortunately, none of these comes with tenders. There is a little rust in here. Not reacting. Look at the face. Alright, let's try 5 volts. So probably, maybe this is the first one. No, I thought this was the first that might not work in this slot. Little loud, but it's working. Good, so we have another good one. I'm gonna take this back out of here so there's nothing else in here. So we have another Scarloy, another Spencer, and one more box here. Trying to see if okay, this one has a little bit of battery corrosion, but we could either try to replace the battery terminal or nickel plate the battery terminal. Let me see. See, it will not make contact because there is some corrosion, but we try it again. Alright, it's working. This other Scarloy, it's working. Good, good. I hope you guys learned already so much, because I know, I mean, a lot of people learning how to use this 5 volts gives you hope to wake up your engines that you might think they are broken, but they are not. So we have another salty. This one looks clean. Okay, and it works. Works. Ah, come on. Well, at least it's working. A little tweak here and there and it should be okay. I think my battery is not making good contact. Alright, salty, it's good. And the last from this big box is Spencer. I need to get more Spencers for oh no, this one looks really bad, but probably might work, maybe not. Who could tell? It worked. Look at how much dirt. This Spencer probably was in a pool or at the beach or in the yard. It's working. Yeah, I need to definitely good. I mean, I'm happy because we got a lot of good ones with no not a lot of things to do. I mean, when I get the packages, hold on, let me see. I never expect to get a good working model. I always expect to get the worst. So my expectations are, low, and when you get the toys working, you are not disappointed. Fragile, handle with. Now the next are you guys don't like this, but anyways, so I need to test this, and I think I pay, I don't know if, I think it was 99 cents for all this. That most of you guys don't like them, but how could I resist for a 99-cent deal? This one is working. So see, here's the problem with the all engines go. Nobody, I mean, there is limited amount of people interested on these things. Maybe well, I can't say exactly how many, but there's little people interested on this. You can sell this a lot. These ones are really in high demand, the old ones. Trackmaster 2, that's another brand that barely people interested on that. Trackmaster 2 or Trackmaster Revolutions here in the States. Maybe in other countries people is interested in those other Trackmaster line Revolutions. As far as I know, there's not a lot of I mean, see, go check for yourself. You cannot, you can see these listings for sitting there for months, but sometimes there are some people that are lucky to sell them, you know. Like I said, there is just a few or limited amount of people interested on this kind of all engines go. Oh, but let me tell you, okay, I never, because I never bought this, you know, for buy or sell. I never saw this one before. It does have some sort of a circuit display between there. Let me see. In reality, I never bought this for business before. I just bought sometimes from. It's not showing any light. It would be nice if it had some lights inside, because it's kind of translucent. See, maybe I'll do custom model out of this. Yeah, probably I'm gonna put some light on this one. I could make a custom model. I have no clue about this one. Where I know it's Thomas. For a moment I thought it was Whiff, but it's not. And we have our last model. So yeah, probably I'm gonna try to put. That's a good idea to put the light inside. I remember a long time ago I put a light on a Trackmaster Revolution inside. Look at that build up between the driving wheels. So this one is some sort of farm theme inside there. I mean, on the sides. Okay, I hope I get done with unboxing. I still have a lot of boxes, and I'm trying to fix a lot.